Multitasking has also been made easier as Windows 11 improved its snap layouts and snap groups. Let's say I'm in a situation where I have multiple windows and I want to be able to display them all at once. Let's go ahead and start by opening up my first window. To make room for a second one, I can choose to do two different things. Click and hold onto the window and then drag it over to either side of the screen. Notice that a box will pop up, and this will indicate if I want to do half the screen or if I go to the corner, do a quadrant. And I can do this on either side. Once I select an option, it'll then request for me to place my other window on the other side. Now I have two split windows on the same screen. And then I can go ahead and adjust my window screens to my desired length. Another option is I can simply hover over minimize and maximize. A set of layouts will appear, and I just have to select on one box to indicate which snap I would like to utilize. Then I'll go ahead and have the option to place my other window elsewhere. Once I have established my layouts, I have then set a snap group. If I go down to the taskbar, I can now choose to go just to my one window, or I can go to the snap group and go back to both. This is a very efficient way if you have a lot of different windows with very limited space and would like to access all of them.